Hey you guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah, and today we will be doing a review for the new Glow Recipe Dewdrop. So this product just launched back in December and I purchased it because I was in need of a new serum, and when I saw this serum I was just so intrigued kind of because it is a very different serum than any serum that you kind of know of. Like, it's very innovative because it's also a highlighting serum. Like, it's a multi-use serum. And let me tell you guys what I mean when I say multi-use. So with this serum, you can use it as a serum to hydrate your skin before makeup, or you can use it as a primer to prep your face before you do your makeup. And then after you already got your makeup going on, you can also put this serum on your high points on your face as a highlighting agent. So that was really cool to me because I didn't know any other serum that does that. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is so cute. So it has like a very reflective glitter shimmer to the bottle, and it's like kind of shaped like a dewdrop in a way. So that's about 2 pumps right here, and this is how it looks. It's like a gel, sticky. It's kind of sticky formula. So it says a breakthrough multi-use highlighting serum that hydrate and visibly reduce the look of hyperpigmentation for a dewy reflective glow without mica, glitter, or gray cast. Like, if you had a list of concern, niacinamide is kind of like a ingredient that really targets almost everything. So what I mean by that is that it minimizes the pore appearance. It also minimizes redness. It also balance the production of oil, treat hyperpigmentation, fine lines, and strengthen your skin barrier. It is retail for $34 and it is 1.35 fluid ounces. It is a little bit more than an average serum because I think an average serum is about 1 fluid ounce, and this one is just a tad bit more than that. So that is a plus. This is what it looks like. Like, my skin looks really glowy, but it gives you a very natural glowy, not a like beaming glow. You guys see that glow right there? Like, yo, that is beautiful. It's very lightweight and it's not greasy at all. The only thing I don't like about it is that it kind of give you like this sticky, tacky after feeling. Like, I just don't really like that. I think it's priced at a very reasonable price for all the things that it can do. It gives you a very natural glowy skin. It's a multi-use serum and it's lightweight. It helps you hydrate your skin, and the best part, that is for all skin types. But the only thing I don't like about the serum is that it does leave like this tacky feeling on your face, and I really don't like that. But I guess it's like that because it can be used as a primer, so it makes sense that you have a little sticky, tacky feeling to it. But okay, you guys, so I'm gonna demonstrate how this product can be used in your makeup routine. I'll be using the NARS Soft Matte Foundation today, and this is in the shade Tahoe, if anybody is wondering. So what you can do is add a little bit of that serum and mix it in with your foundation. This is the serum. Mix it in with the foundation. If you guys can see, it gives you a really light glow. Like, nothing too major, but like a very light glow. I like dewy and glowy skin anyway, so this is nice. Okay, and because this is a very soft matte foundation, it really works well with the it really complement each other, you know what I mean? Because it kind of soften up the matteness and just give you a little hint of glow, but still keeping it matte at the same time. All right, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna finish up my makeup and show you guys how else we can use this serum. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you guys the third way we can use this serum, which is the very innovative way that I've been talking about on top of your makeup as a highlighting agent. So let's just jump right into it, and I'm gonna show you guys how I be applying it on top of my makeup. So what I'm gonna do is just a little bit, okay, you guys, because this thing can get a little too much just because it is still a gel and on top of your makeup. I know it sounds crazy and like, what the hell? Just that little bit right there. And we're just gonna go on our highlighting point, and I promise you it's not gonna ruin your makeup. You just want to dab it on. And just like that. And I don't have no highlighter on. This is my only form of highlighter. Like I said, it gives you a very, very natural highlight. So what you want to do is just dab it onto your high points or wherever you desire, and it just give you a very light glow, just like that. Can you guys see that? Oh my god, like this is a amazing product. I'm gonna put it right on the tip of my nose because you know I like a glowy look. It's so natural and it's very lightweight, and I promise you it won't ruin your makeup. It just really just kind of latches onto your makeup and voila. I just want to let you guys know my experience with it. Like, I absolutely do enjoy this serum. This serum is amazing. I've been using it for a month, and it does help me with some of my concern. Like, it's very hydrating. It's very lightweight, very fresh, and it's very good for people with sensitive skin because I've used it twice a day and I don't feel nothing at all. It just glides onto your face and just moisturize it. I don't see a major difference in my pores, but then again, I have really big pores, so I don't know. I haven't really found anything that really kind of shrink them yet. I feel like as a primer, it's just a okay product, but as a serum, it's amazing, and as a highlighting agent for on top of your makeup, it's also amazing. Definitely should check it out if you're looking for a all-around serum that kind of acts as a primer and also as a highlighter. So thank you for watching, you guys. I will see you guys soon. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Bye, guys.